Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to have a look at stopping ventilation on the Elisa ICU ventilator from Loewenstein Medical. So if and when you want to stop ventilation for whichever reason, you will do as follows. When you are ready to stop ventilation, you will access the ventilation sub-menu and you will press the stop ventilation button and confirm with the green arrow. A pop-up screen will appear to prompt you to confirm if you want to stop ventilation. If you press OK, ventilation will stop and you will go to the standby screen. If you do not press OK, ventilation will continue as usual.